Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and this is your no-nonsense how-to guide. Easiest plants, easiest veggies, zero faff. Even if you've never gardened before. We'll start with winners that practically grow themselves. Goal: grow more of your own amazing food, and waste a whole lot less. Good soil is everything. Compost makes it sing. Great for you, great for the planet. No massive garden needed. A balcony will do. We'll keep it simple and fun. You plant, you watch, you eat. Nice and easy. Grab a cuppa and settle in. We'll plan in bite-sized steps. Right, let's get stuck in. Right then, soil. Not glamorous, but it's the most important bit. It's a living ecosystem that feeds and anchors your plants. Good soil gives support, nutrients and moisture. You want it dark, slightly damp and crumbly. Clay's heavy, sand falls apart. Neither is the end of the world. Because you can fix soil with organic matter. Compost, leaf mold, well-rotted manure, all gold. Lay a few inches on top before you plant. Gently mix the top, don't wreck your back. Let the worms do the heavy lifting. Do this once, you're already halfway to success. Now for the magic, compost. I call it black gold. Costs nothing and turns waste into plant food. A shady corner pile works fine. Or knock up a pallet bin on the cheap. Key is balance, half greens, half browns. Greens are wet and nitrogen-rich. Peelings, coffee, tea, grass. Browns add carbon and airflow. Card, paper, leaves, straw, twigs. Layer greens, then cap with browns to keep smells down. Turn every few weeks to add oxygen and speed it up. Ready when it's dark, crumbly, and smells like a forest floor. Takes a few months to a year, worth the wait. Use it on beds or mix into pots for the best possible start. Enjoy making your black gold. Clear weeds and stones first. Add a few inches of compost. Light fork to blend the surface. Microlife kicks in and boosts structure. Bed prepped, time to plant. Start with salad leaves. Lettuce. Sow in ground or pots, pick outer leaves often. Rocket. Quick, tasty, keeps coming. Spinach. Fast, super versatile. Fast growth means fast wins. Radishes. Seed to plate in about 4 weeks. Perfect gap fillers between slower plants. Herbs are brilliant in pots indoors. Mint, tough and generous. Chives snip and they bounce back. Parsley, steady, reliable flavor. Keep them watered and they'll love you. Courgettes. 1 or 2 plants can drown you in harvest. They need space, but they're so worth it. Climbing beans. Give them canes and pick often. The more you pick, the more you get. Huge yield from a tiny footprint. Potatoes. Easy in bags or deep containers. Just add soil as shoots rise. Tomatoes. Start with bush or cherry types. Big pot, full sun, regular water. Feed every couple of weeks for best flavor. Nothing beats a warm tomato straight off the vine. Success breeds confidence. On you go. No garden, no worries. Balconies, patios, windowsills work. Use big containers with drainage and peat-free compost. Think vertical. Beans, peas, compact cucumbers. Hanging fruit turns empty air into harvest. Choose dwarf or patio varieties for tight spaces. Water mornings or evenings, right at the base. Deep, infrequent soaks beat daily sprinkles. Deep roots handle dry spells better. Mulch keeps soil cool, moist, and weeds down. Add a water butt for free, plant-friendly rainwater. Invite predators. Ladybirds smash aphids. Birds help with slugs. Flowers attract the good guys. Nightly slug patrol works a treat. Beer traps are simple and effective. Payoff: fresher flavor, less waste, more joy. Start small. 1 pot of salad or a single tomato. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.